In today's video, we're going to show you all around the resort. We're going to show you the amenities. Of course, we're going to take you on a beautiful room tour.
Welcome to Aruba! We're here staying at the Riu Palace on beautiful Palm Beach.
Okay, inside the Riu Palace, front lobby, immediately to your left, you have your check-in, check-out area, front desk. As we turn to your right, we have a tour operator's desk, an excursion desk, and also a car rental desk. Beside that, you have your elevator bank that goes up and also down to the first level for easier access to the beach and the restaurants. In this corner here, they have the Tradewinds store. You can get alcohol here. You can get clothing. Let's see inside. They do have some drinks as well as some sundries you might need for your room. Cough medicine, suntan lotions, general first aid stuff as well. Chips, bottled water, as well as some chocolates. You can get some wine here as well. Plus you can check out all of the souvenirs that you can take back home, from mugs to plushie dolls, a whole section here with suntan lotions. There's jewelry, sunglasses, shirts, hats, and jewelry as well. Okay, let's head out of here. Lots of tables and chairs here. There is a lobby bar. And then also this area here, if you want to come in the morning and grab a coffee, they also have pastries and donuts and cakes throughout the day. And as you head into the sports bar, so there is a bar in here, ping pong, a couple television sets, there's pool you can play here, but this is where you would come if you wanted a snack 24 hours a day. There's some sandwiches here, fruit cups, different things throughout the day. This usually has some warm food items like nachos and tortillas, and hot dogs are right in here. Nachos are here and here, I believe. They have your nacho cheese and different condiments. They just haven't set it up as of yet, as I'm doing this earlier on in the morning. We'll head out this door over here. And now we are in the section that they have the shows in the evenings. So they also have a little bar here that opens during the shows. And since this isn't all-inclusive, you can have as many drinks as you like. So if you go down this hallway down here, that would lead you next door to the Riu Antillas Adults-Only all-inclusive part. We're not gonna head there right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the center and head down the stairs and take you around and show you where the restaurants are and the buffet. And then we're also gonna show you all around the pool area. So we're on the first level right now. Down there is the Italian restaurant called Milano. There's Crystal here. There's also, I'm gonna call it Sajuri. It's a Japanese restaurant. And at the end of the hallway here, you have Don Nicholas. Don Nicholas is the all-you-can-eat buffet. It is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are the hours there posted, 7 to 11 for breakfast, 1 to 3 for lunch, and 6:30 to 10 for dinner. It's a fairly large area that also has outdoor seating. This is where most people will be spending their time. This is the pool area. There is a large pool up here, which is quite nice. So as you can see, it's a 2-tier level here with a pool up there, and then the other pool all the way down here. There is little crevices. There are beach loungers made out of cement and tile in the water. You can sit down by the pool bar. This main pool here is about just over 4.5 feet deep, which is very nice. Just to let you know, this area here is actually for adults only, even though I do see a child swimming in there right now. I don't think they really enforce it very well. So there is a swim up bar here, and then an outside bar if you want to just grab a drink and stay dry, and then have a seat over here. People want to say hello.
Hello. Hello. You should be here.
Okay, so just beside the beach here and the main pool, you have Nautilus. Nautilus is the steak restaurant in the evenings, and I'm assuming that they do open for lunch buffet as well. So you can take a look at that. And then you can see that you're right on the beach, because there is Palm Beach right there. It's absolutely beautiful. The sand is wonderful. The water, I'll tell you, yesterday we were in there and it was really warm. We're just gonna take a walk over here around the bar. And there we go. That's the bar area there. Okay. So another pool here. This is the infinity pool. There's little tables set up all the way around. There's chairs in there. Everybody's being so friendly and saying hello, which is wonderful. And we are right on Palm Beach. It is wonderful. It is beautiful. The palm trees are swaying in the breeze. And as you know, in Aruba here, there's always the trade winds, which keep you nice and cool, but it will let you burn because you won't realize how hot the sun is here. So again, here's the other angle, other side of the pool. I will let you know that during the day, they do pump up the music. They have activities that happen over here, Zumba and aqua aerobics and stuff like that. We'll show you here. This is the towel hut. So you bring your towel cards down here and you get your towels. Tell them your room number. Riu Land is the children's play club, or the children's play area. There is a little gym out here, a small little kids pool there, and then you can also drop off your children here and they'll babysit them. So in this area here, you have not only the Renova Spa, which is on this side here, open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., but you also have the gym over here. And the gym is open from 7 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. It's another shot of the kids club over here. Nice little play area. Keep all the kids occupied while maybe you're in the pool or having dinner or lunch. And the kids are always having fun. So that is what the resort tour here of the Riu Palace is. Pools are massive and very nice. I will let you know that early or in the mornings, this water is absolutely freezing cold water, but it does warm up as the day goes on. That sun is very, very hot here. Please be careful and wear your sunscreen at all times. And if you want to, please wear a hat. We don't want anybody getting sunstroke or having any issues while on vacation. So safety first, sunscreen, hat, sunglasses. Keep yourself safe so you can enjoy your holiday. We got room number 1012. Let's go check it out. Okay, as we enter the room here, one thing you need to know is that you need the room key to be inserted to there to turn on all the lights. As you see right here, right beside the front door, we have what they call their bar station, and you have bottles of rum, vodka, some brandy, and some whiskey as well. You have your coffee maker, your ice machine or your ice bucket, and underneath here you have your fridge that they fully stock every single day with beer, soda, and water. Right on the other side of the entrance here, you'll find the double door closet. On the one side, you're gonna have your safe with your iron and lots of hangers there as well. There is extra blankets and an extra pillow in here as well if you need it. And on the other side, you have your ironing board and other hangers as well. Let's head into the bathroom. Now, it's not the largest bathroom in the world, but very adequate. You have your double vanity here with 2 sinks. There's a vanity mirror here as well, your hair dryer, some extra cups, and you do have toiletries by the company Lavarino. The shower here is actually fairly large, as you can see. You got a rainfall shower head, a handheld unit as well, lots of towels in here, and soap dispenser on the wall. As we enter the main room, you'll notice the bed. It is massive. It is not just a king size, it is even larger, which we're very happy with. On the other side of the bed, you'll notice that there is a nice TV stand with drawers in it and a fairly large flat screen TV. Either side of the bed, you have the lamps and night tables as well with drawers. A big shout out to Santana and the management team here at the Riu Palace for these lovely welcoming gifts. We really do appreciate it. So as we enter the next part of the room, we're heading into the living room portion of the room. So if you notice, there are 2 steps down, so be careful of that. In this area here, you do have a pull-out couch here that turns into a queen bed, a coffee table, 2 chairs, and another table here so you can have your coffee in the morning. Now, for what everybody comes here for is the fantastic view of Palm Beach. So let's head out onto the balcony. On this balcony, you'll notice there's 2 chairs, a little table, a little place to hang up your clothes or your wet towel as well. But this is what everybody comes here for, is this fantastic view of wonderful Palm Beach. Hey guys. Here are the details on the all-inclusive Riu Palace Aruba, located on the white sands of Palm Beach. This hotel opened in 2007 and has 450 rooms in 3 high-rise buildings. Since this is an all-inclusive resort, all the rooms have a bar, which consists of a fridge with soft drinks, water, and beer that are stocked daily. It also has a coffee maker and a liquor dispenser with vodka, rum, whiskey, brandy. The Riu Palace has 5 restaurants, including the buffet, and 6 bars throughout the resort. They have 3 pools that are open from 8 a.m. Until only 6 p.m. The main pool is massive with a water loungers and swim up bar. If you want to drop off your children, the Kids Club is also available with a small pool and a play area. The Riu Palace also has a full spa with treatments for nail services and massage. They have a full gym. They also have daily activities, nightly entertainment, and all of this just steps away from the beach. Bonus at this hotel, that if you are over the age of 18, you have full access to the Riu Antillas next door, including all the bars and pools and facilities, but not the specialty restaurants. Check-in here is at 3 p.m. and checkout is at 11.
We love Aruba.
This has been one of the best vacations.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great.
Everyone was super friendly, good experience. When we walked in, we were greeted with glasses of champagne.
The property location is spectacular. Phenomenal. It really is. It's a great location, very close to the downtown area.